Don't we have some catching up to do? Hey losers, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing I don't fucking know. I've got some new products that I want to try out. Mecca recently sent me like a whole bunch of Kylie goodies. We're just gonna see what happens. Okay, so the first products I'm going to try out are the Kai brow pencils. So we've got medium brown and deep brown. Also, look how cute my nails are. They're like little clouds and stars. So, yes, the big news is that I am officially single again after 3 years. You guys have seen so many videos with Tyson over the last couple of years, whether it was with my podcast or it was him doing my makeup or even like on my Insta stories and stuff. It's only been about 3 weeks that we've been split up. Honestly, it has been a really tough like adjustment, if I'm being honest. First week I was, I think, still in shock, to be honest, and things just slowly started to get like harder to deal with. I'm really trying to like find my feet again and like find what makes me me. You know, when you're in a relationship with someone for that long, like there is a part of yourself that goes with that person if you ever do split up. And I just want to say that Tyson really is such an amazing person. Like, he brought me and showed me so much love at a time in my life where I didn't know how to love myself. Oh my God, I'm gonna start crying. No, just breathe. Okay, and it sounds really cliche, but like, we're still good friends, but knowing that all of those things that you used to do together, things that used to make each other laugh, that kind of thing, all of those things just become distant memories, and it's like the fucking saddest thing ever, honestly. Really like these brow pencils. They look really, really good. I do have the artist palette from Glisten Cosmetics and Rowie Singh. If you guys don't know, Rowie is probably one of the most creative people that I follow on Instagram. Glisten Cosmetics and Rowie came up with this split pan palette. These are all eyeliners. That's what it looks like there. It's such a beautiful palette. Should I just move on to base and just like skip the eyes and do some like graphic liner? Yeah. I also recently got a bunch of these Smashbox Photo Finish primers from Mecca as well. I think I'm gonna go in with the primerizer. This is the hydrating primer. And then I'm gonna lay out another primer on top of this one. I just love that it moisturizes the skin, but it doesn't leave like a really oily like residue on the skin. It's actually really nice. And then I'm going to prep my skin using the brand new Nikia Joy Cosmetics Matte Base Primer. I have not used this before. So it does have a tint, as you can see. Apparently this is meant to like control oil, smoothen pores. Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation. This is one of my absolute holy grail foundations. You guys know how much I love this. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you will probably have seen my like day-to-day updates. I've actually been posting those videos like a few days after I actually filmed them, like probably like a week after. It's just that because when I posted the first video, I didn't really think that I was going to actually start posting them really regularly. I wanted to make sure that I got Tyson's blessing on it. And you know what? I haven't even mentioned our relationship at all in like any of them. It's just been about my experience with the breakup, and he's been cool with it. At the end of the day, it does come back down to me and what I want to do with my life and what I choose to put out there, because I do live my life so publicly, like especially here on YouTube, on Instagram. Rimmel Multitasker Concealer. Haven't used this one in a minute. It reminds me of like a more hydrating version of Shape Tape. The trickiest thing for me, like over the last 3 weeks, has just been like trying to get back into a routine. If you guys have been through a breakup, you know how debilitating it can be at times. Okay, if the lighting changes, it goes like really, really like faint and like blue toned. It's because there is frost building up on my camera. I just took my camera out of like the spare room, super, super cold, and I brought it into this room, which is quite warm. So the lens is like freaking the fuck out. But anyway, as I was saying, like when you are going through like a breakup or the end of a friendship or a relationship, like you often question yourself, have I been like going about this the right way? Should I have been doing more? And I know that there's like no right or wrong answer, and it's all within like your own time. I'm going in with the pressed bronzing powder in Toasty, by the way. If you aren't following me on TikTok or on Insta, make sure that you guys are. Doubt that anyone watching this actually came across this video from like the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube is literally fucked. Also wearing a blanket because it is fucking freezing here in Melbourne. 8 degrees outside and it's currently 11:30 a.m. Okay, blush time. Feeling this middle one here. Okay, that is actually stunning. I'm also gonna bring this, I'm gonna take this color into the crease of my eye as well. Highlighter, I think I'm gonna take the lightest color just because I am quite pale at the moment. Okay, that's actually really pretty, not gonna lie. Just pop it in the inner corners of my eye. Just realized I'm wearing the same jumper that I have in the last 2 videos. We love an outfit repeater because sustainability. I think I'm feeling like these kinds of tones. I also just bought a bunch of these Glisten Cosmetics brushes because Domsky, he does the most amazing looks ever. So I was like, I need them. I'm gonna grab the number 5 brush. Okay, yeah, that should work. Should it? I don't know, let's see. Okay, she's a little bit milky for my liking, but like she's cute. I'm gonna dip into like this really hot pink, almost like a red. This color right here, it's actually very neon, but on camera, it's coming up as just like a muted like red shade, but it's not that at all. That's so cool though, loving it. Okay, cute. Right, lashes are on. I just popped on my Chloe lashes from my brand Bouquet Beauty. If you guys are wondering, these are still available as far as I'm concerned, so make sure you guys go and pick them up before they're sold out. I'll also leave a discount code down below for you guys if you want to save some coins. So I got sent 2 of the Kylie lip kits. We've got Kylie and we've got Bite Me. Now I feel like Bite Me is gonna be too dark and I feel like Kylie's also gonna be too dark. Oh no, that'd be gorgeous. Okay, done. Grab the 808 Kylie lip pencil. This looks a little bit more brown in the actual formula in the bottle, but okay. To be honest, I haven't used a Kylie lip kit in probably like 5 years, at least. Definitely see that the lip color and the liner do not match. It's a really pretty color. And then I think I'm gonna go in with the eye gloss. I'm gonna go for clear. Okay, this is the color, ain't it? Take the Fenty Latte Lips Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera really quickly and then I will be right back and show you guys the final look. This is the finished look as you guys can see. If you made it to the end of the video, be sure to leave a car emoji down in the comments so I know who the real MVPs are. I hope you all enjoyed this kind of like chatty, get ready with me, full face first impression style video. People don't usually do these anymore. If you guys did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. Love you guys so much. I hope you all have the most amazing day and I really look forward to this next journey with all of you guys. As I said earlier, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and I will see you in the next video.